This is another problem we can solve using square roots. We have to get the x squared term by itself, which is this right here. So I'm going to have to subtract the 24, and I'm going to have to divide by 3. But I have to do the subtracting the 24 first. So I have 3x squared equals negative 24, and then divide both sides by 3. So I would have x squared equals negative 8. So at this point, I need to take the square root of both sides, and you always have to remember to put the plus or minus on the other side. Now I have two things going on here. I have a negative under the radical. That's going to turn into an I on the outside of the radical. And then I also have to deal with this 8 under the radical, and that is going to turn into something we can simplify. So I'm going to break 8 down into 2 times 4. And then 4 is 2 times 2. So I see that I have a pair of 2's, and then I also have a leftover 2. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to have x equals plus or minus the 2 that's coming out from the pair, that's right here, the I that's coming out from the under the radical, and then I also have a leftover 2, which is this 2 right here. So my final answer would be plus or minus 2I square root 2. And again, it looks like one answer, but it represents two answers because of that plus or minus. I have a positive answer and a negative answer.